Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. So today I need a quick and easy dinner that I can go ahead and feed the kids. So I thought, let's make some corn dogs. So come along while I show you how I make my homemade corn dogs. We need to make our batter. So our batter consists of 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Go ahead and give that a whisk. Make sure everything is well combined. 1 egg and 1 cup of milk. Go ahead and get all that mixed up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and let this rest, and then we're gonna work on our hot dogs. All right, for this part, you can use any kind of hot dogs you have. I happen to have these. So this recipe will make you 18 corn dogs. Go ahead and pull them all out, and then you're just gonna get them dried up. You don't want them wet. On a separate plate, I'm gonna have some flour, and you're gonna take your dried hot dog and go ahead and coat it in the flour. Dust off any excess. Your skewers, I've got these long skewers here for kebabs. You're just gonna cut them in half, and you don't wanna use the side that's frayed. Use the good side and go ahead and poke your hole right in the middle and go all the way through your hot dog. There we go. And we'll just continue the process with the rest of our hot dogs. All right, friends, now that you've got your hot dogs all prepped and ready to go, we're gonna take our batter, give it one little mix, and carefully pour it into a cup, a tall cup. Scrape it on in there. All right, I'm gonna take our nice tall cup. I've got some oil here in my cast iron pot. All right, friends, so here's where you wanna be very careful. This is very hot. You don't wanna splash any oil on you. So you're gonna take your cup of batter, go ahead and stick it in your hot dog, spin it, bring it out, give it a little bit of a twirl here, and then we're gonna drop it right into our batter. And you can do probably 3, but I don't want to overcrowd it, so I'm just going to put 2 in at a time. And let it go for probably about a minute or 2 until it is golden brown. All right, and there we go. Nice golden corn dog. Now just go ahead and set it off on paper towel to get all that oil off. And keep going with the process. Now, friends, do not throw away this leftover batter. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with it next. Look at how amazing these look. All right, now friends, with the leftover batter that we have here, we're gonna make ourselves a funnel cake. All right. And go ahead and pull that out. Now let's top it off with some powdered sugar. Now there we go. Yum. All right, friends, so now that we've got all these corn dogs made, let's go in and try them and see how they taste. I can eat it plain. I don't need any ketchup or mustard or anything like that, so. These are really good. The batter on it is more like maybe a pancake batter, but it's so good and fluffy. Gotta try these, friends. These are amazing. I'm sure they'll be a huge hit in your house. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you give it a try. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. Until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.